Don't you also find it a shame that your artworks get far too little attention?
You spend hours painting them only for them to end up in dark boxes where no one can truly appreciate them anymore.
If you feel the same way we do, then you are in the right place. Cause that's exactly why we created the Creative Rack.
Hi everyone, my name is Michael
And my name is Luke.
and this is our vision. It all starts with a passion for tabletop gaming. We've been painting and playing Warhammer, Lord of the Rings and more for many years, and we thought, why not take this incredible hobby on the next level together with you?
Our first idea was the display module, a display rack that lets you keep your artworks visible at all times and most importantly, share them with your friends.
After countless surveys and feedback from fellow enthusiasts, we developed a modular system that allows the Creative Rack to be used for more than just displaying miniatures.
From paint organization to storing materials for basing and terrain building or showcasing your finished miniatures, the Creative Rack is the perfect companion from the start of a project to its final completion. And now it's your turn.
Be part of Leuchtfeuer and boost your creativity.